Hello, Vlogmas Day 20. I'm on the train, so I'm being a bit quieter than usual. But I am on my way to see Hannah to meet Rather Be Sewing from Instagram, and I'm so excited, yay! I wasn't feeling too great this morning and I wasn't 100% sure whether I was going to go, but I'm so pleased that I was like, Gabby, you're going to be fine, just go. So, and I'm feeling much better, and yeah, really looking forward to today. So we'll see you in a bit. So this is Megan, and we've just said, oh, and you haven't met Hannah yet. This is Hannah, and we've just come into her gorgeous shop in St Albans, and it's just basically perfect for us, isn't it?
Perfect for us, not
baby
perfect for
shop.
Megan, because we're so inspired.
No, it's true. Because I need to get knitting, and I need to make little booties, because they are the cutest things ever. Oh, it's so lovely.
Lovely, so lovely.
Oh, turn it around so we can see the bow.
Yes, the secret one is amazing.
Yeah, it really is.
There's two colourways.
Oh!
I had someone come in and they've got twins and they have one of
No!
them. Photos of that.
Oh, that is so cute. I'm going to look for that on Instagram.
Yeah.
I hope they tag you. I know, it is just the cutest.
Oh.
Okay, this is Hannah! Hi! I'm so excited to finally meet you. We've had a really lovely day in St Albans, and we were about to go fabric shopping, but actually I've got to go.
We've spent too much time talking and drinking coffee and eating soup.
Yeah, exactly.
But we did go to two charity shops as well.
Yeah, I did actually buy some things. Do you want to see my Christmas jumper? Ta-da!
It's lovely.
I'm very pleased with that. So yeah, so I'm going to go back on the train. And
Gabby's really used to this, and I'm not used to filming
we did go
myself.
into a shop, and the girl knew me. That was
She
quite
did.
crazy.
And Gabby played it really cool, but it was very exciting.
I actually went really red.
She totally made her day. Lovely Megan, with beautiful clothes for children.
Yeah,
if
they
you're in
really
St Albans
are.
and you need gifts for children,
Yes.
they are beautifully made, and lots of variety of different fabrics and lots of lovely designs. And her kind of signature is on the girls' clothes. It's kind of a scoop back with a big bow, and it's beautiful.
It is, it's amazing. I filmed a bit, so I'll show you some of that. But yeah, thank you for a lovely day.
And our babies have both been kicking all day, which has been really lovely. So they're already friends.
Lovely. I know they're going to be the best of friends, sewing together. Okay, all batteries going.
Oh,
okay, well I'll say
timely.
goodbye to you properly, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I'm on my way back on the train, and that was so lovely. It was so nice to meet Hannah finally. We've talked since, I guess, my 12th week, when I kind of became public about my pregnancy, and we're both like a week apart, and she has been my rock. We've talked pretty much every day, and I just adore her, and it was so lovely to finally meet her, and she is just as awesome as I always knew she would be. So yeah, it's been a really nice day, and now I am off back to London, meeting with Stephen, and then we're off to the Royal Albert Hall to see the snowman. Right, see you in a bit. Oh, also I did get this at a charity shop. How cute! Oh, I love it! So I got my Christmas jumper and this. And Hannah made me this. How gorgeous is this? Love it! Okay, something rather wonderful has happened. We're in a box. Look at this. This is my goddaughter Eva, and here we are at the Royal Albert Hall. No.
Let's have a smart. Where should we take? Over here.
Oh, wait, I'm in the way. Hi.
Santa, say Santa on 3, 1, 2, 3. Santa.
So for any of the old Vlogmas fans will know that I used to always do the backstage tour because of our rider, so I'll do a backstage tour of our box instead. So we've got champagne, cranberry juice, we've got a fish platter and, I don't know, a meze platter and lots of yummy little breads, and I am already eating and no one else seems to be.
Henry, said Mrs. Brown to her husband, I've an idea. We found him on Paddington Station. So that's what we'll call him. Paddington. Paddington, repeated the bear. Paddington. Paddington. I think I like that. It sounds very important. Good.
Gabby.
Yeah.
What day is it?
It is the 20th.
Yes.
Have you done the day again? Is this part of your game? Okay, here it is. There's the day. I'm just trying to keep the ones that we've done open because otherwise I get very confused. Well done with the paper. As they were about to leave the room, her eyes popped in their sockets. I only wanted to stay warm, but what gifts are in my pockets? Ooh! Oh, pockets. As we're about to leave the room, my coat is on the door, which is a very good sign because I do not put my coat on the door. I normally throw it on the floor. So, in my pockets is... Oh, are you superstar? Oh my gosh. These are so cool. Where did you get these awesome buttons? Look at these. Oh, Hobbs, yeah, you like the... Hobbs loves buttons.
Do you like buttons, Hobbs?
Oh, he loves buttons. Which buttons do you like? Do you like the dogs? Or the sewing stuff? The dogs. Who are they by? Oh, okay. It's a word that I really struggle saying, like just the normal.
Just show the camera then, I guess. I mean, it's worth it for that. Let's have a look. I haven't seen.
Incomparable buttons. Yes,
incomparable buttons.
Incomparable. In South Africa. Oh, they're giving employment to women in South Africa. Oh, that's absolutely amazing.
So let's have a look. So what designs are they?
Oh, so we got doggies, which are like the best ever. They're so cute. I love the poodle and the Dalmatian. Oh, and he's a little bit Hobbs like this guy, isn't he?
What's the other ones?
And then this one's sewing things, so it's really cute. There's a little thimble, there's a needle and thread, scissors, a sewing machine, and a button.
Amazing.
Yeah, they really are. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome, darling.
Love them.
Good.
Okay, should we go to bed?
Oh, you're not going to finish your treasure hunt?
Oh, what? Oh, more pockets! My other pockets are... Oh, lovely! I got a G! An iron-on motif. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love that. I'm going to definitely put that on. And maybe my new coat.
Oh.
Like just on the collar. That'd be really
Which
cool.
one? The blue and yellow coat?
Yeah. Or would it?
What colour is it?
Well, it's blue.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, that is good. Yeah, but I wonder if it's the same blue and then...
It'll
I
just
can't remember what
disappear.
blue it is.
It's a kind of, it's a, is it
more
marine?
An electric blue, isn't
Electric
it?
blue, maybe.
Yeah. I'm very sleepy.
Good.
Thank you so much, baby. I love day 20. I'm very happy. Yay!
Day 20 is done.
Day 20 of the doggy advent calendar. It's quite mad here today because there's like a party in the garden, I think, like literally next door. So sorry if it's noisy, but we have had, I've had the most amazing day. I've absolutely loved meeting Hannah. Was such a joy, and it was just wonderful to spend time with her and talk lots of pregnancy things, and oh, it's just so lovely. And then the Paddington as snowman was just absolute magic. And then we came back and had a nice time watching the MasterChef final. And it's just been so lovely, and I'm looking forward to my bed. Oh, Hobbs, I'm sorry. I know I'm talking to people and you just want your treats. That's all you want. So, day 20. Are you ready? This advent calendar is falling apart. You can probably see it's not very good. So, ta-da! I'm opening it like that. And now you got to properly sit. Now, no. I've noticed you haven't been actually sitting. Sit, and then shake. Oh, okay, well. And then you come up. Yes. And you have yours too. Yay! Alright guys, I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we go back to my flat, so you will get to see what has been going on. All the work's been, well, I think it's been finished. So yeah, you'll get to see that, so it's very exciting. Alright, night, lots of love. Bye! I'll say bye. Oh, you won't. Okay, bye. So just before we go to bed, we just had to come on and say thank you so much to someone. I know they want to be left anonymous. We're not going to say what they sent us or anything, but we just got a parcel today that has blown us away, and oh, we are really thankful, aren't we, darling?
I'm a little bit overwhelmed, yeah, we really don't know what to say, but thank you so much.
No, thank you. Okay, right, we're going to go to bed now.
It's been quite a day.
Yes.